Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose how you would like to view the deleted messages in chat while you are streaming on the Twitch website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that, tap on this profile icon at the top, then click on channel. After that, you should scroll down and tap on this customize channel button on the right side. Then go to the left side column and click on stream manager, which is the second section. After that, hide this panel, and here you can see the my chat section on the left side. Tap on this settings button, and here you can tap on deleted messages, and here you can select how would you like to view the deleted messages in chat, such as briefly. So the deleted messages will be hidden from chat entirely, and the website will show you a minimal log message to keep you aware of what's going on. You can also select the detailed option or the legacy, click to reveal deleted message text. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.